In this video, I will show you two effective methods on how to clear screen using bash scripts. So let's get started. In the first method, I will show you how to clear the screen using the clear command in bash. So let's see how it works. First, I'll create a script named clearscreen1.sh. For this, I'll use the nano command. Now I'll edit my script, so I'll start with the shebang line. First, I'll write a print statement which will print press enter to clear the screen. Next, I'll use the read command, so this will take input from the user. After I've pressed enter, next I'll write the clear command which will clear the terminal, and then after clearing the terminal, I'll write a print statement which will print screen cleared. Now my script is complete, so I'll save the script using Ctrl S and exit using Ctrl X. Now it's time to execute the script, but first I'll provide the executable file permission. Now I'll execute the script. It tells me to press enter to clear the screen, so I'll press enter and the screen is cleared. Now I'll talk about the second method where I'll use escape characters to clear the screen. So let's see how it works. First, I'll create a script named clearscreen2.sh. For this, I'll use the nano command. Over here, I'll edit my script, so I'll start with the shebang line. Now I'll write the escape sequence within printf command inside a string. So it will start with the backslash, as all escape sequences do. Then I'll write the sequence which starts with 0, then 3C. This is the escape sequence which will clear my screen. Next, I'll write a statement to show that the screen is cleared. My script is complete, so I'll save and exit using Ctrl S and X respectively. Now it's time to execute the script, but first I'll provide the executable file permission using the chmod command. Now I'll execute the script. There you go, it clears my screen. So this was all for this video. If you want to know further, please refer to the article provided in the video description below. Thank you for watching.